Year 6, it's Miss Crane bringing you an art lesson for the afternoon. So today we're going to look at sketching, showing some fine detail. So obviously we've not got lots of art equipment that we can be getting out together, but you have all got a pencil. So we're going to use that to create today some sketches of the Titanic. Now by the end of the lesson you'll all have at least one sketch, and hopefully a few of you will challenge yourself to do two. So here we've got two of our main sketching ideas for today. We've got the one on the left, which is looking down the side of the ship, and we've got the one on the right, which is the ship sinking. Now on the next slide we've got some step-by-step instructions of how to draw that first one, that one that's very detailed on the left. I'll click to it now. So if you're interested in drawing the ship from this perspective, so looking at it from this angle, these are the steps that you're going to need, and these will be uploaded onto your portfolio so that you can download and follow them. So this is your option 1 for your main task. If you prefer the look of the ship when it's sinking, then you're going to need the second set of instructions. So this one's broken down into a few more parts. It's broken down into 8. Here we've got the first 4 steps, and here we've got the final 4 steps taking you up to 8. Now I don't mind which one of these you'd like to do. You can choose to either have a go at main task 1 or main task 2. Pause the video now and go and download the set of instructions that you're most interested in from Portfolio. When you've done that, when you've done your sketching and you're happy with it, and you've got as much detail as you possibly can, come back to the video and I will show you your extension challenges. So if you've managed to have a go at that first main task, fantastic, well done. We've got 3 extensions if you are feeling particularly artistic. So at the top here we've got a head-on view of the ship, so we're seeing it from a slightly different angle to normal. At the bottom we've got a similar one to the first picture where we're looking at the side, but here you can see the smoke, you can see the lights, there's a little bit more surrounding, so we've got the dark sky, we've got the dark land, and the very deep blue ocean. So if you've got some colours with you, that would be a lovely one to have a go at. And our third one here is again another example of it sinking, but from a different angle. This time we're looking side on as the ship dips under, and we can see, if we look closely, we can even see some of the passengers who are still on board the ship. So if you did one earlier where it was sinking, I would suggest that you challenge yourself to one where it isn't sinking now, and maybe vice versa. If you haven't had a go at doing a sketch of the ship sinking, then I would have a go now and see if you can. The picture on the right here is a really nice example of how we can turn these coloured images on the left into pencil sketches. So the one on the right is completely done with pencil, but we can still see the movement of the water through the waves because they've shaded to show you where the waves are. We can see the shadow of the ship being reflected in the water. We can see the sky and the clouds through that use of pressure they've put on the pencil. So this lesson is all about refining that artistic skill. And if you do have a go at one of the challenges, remember to send it through to either Mr. Pugh or Miss Alexander. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Well done.